Here we need to do this question and I will tell you simple steps for doing these type of questions and it's very easy. A car travels 17 kilometers in 2 hours. If the car kept traveling at the same speed, how far would it travel in 3 hours? So, step 1, we will do these type of questions with the help of ratio. Express this info as a ratio. Express this info as a ratio. How? Like kilometer and hours. How many kilometers? 70. How many hours? 2. So it is 70 ratio 2. Now step 2. What is step 2? Is find the unit rate. That That means you always need to focus what are you given. You are given hours and you need to find kilometers. Then what will you do? Convert the unit rate of hours. Like convert it in 1. If it is traveling 70 kilometer in 2 hours, then how much would it travel in 1 hour? Then what did we do from 2 to 1? We divided this by 2. And here too we will divide it by 2 and then we will get 35. Okay? And then step 3. Multiply with what is required. Okay, now look at the question. How far would it travel in 3 hours? So you are multiplying 1 with 3. Now you will always be on 1 here. So whatever, if you need to find for 4 hours, 5 hours, what will you do? You will just multiply. 1 is to 3. So 1 multiply 3. Now multiply with 3 here as well. It will be 105. So the answer is how far would it travel in 3 hours? The answer is 105 kilometers in 3 hours. Thank you for watching.